How are you feeling?
Yeah, pretty good.
How many years have you lived in this house?
16.
Are you sad to say goodbye?
Yeah, a little bit. I don't think it's really hit me though. Like, I don't feel like I'm leaving it, you know? But I probably am.
It's just as well since you left I settled down. No more stabbing homeless men. I'm so uncool here without you, man. I wish that hell had visitation time. I lost you and lost my mind. Now I'm so lame here without you, man. And on the block where we grew up in summertime, dogs got sick on chocolate and we played with pocket knives at the football games beneath the bleacher seats. We cornered little kids and took away their
Today, working alongside me, I have Chloe here at the front.
The air supply fails, masts will drop from above. Pull the mast towards you.
I found you at the really helping.
Right, we've made it to the airport. We're in Amsterdam. Now we just have to carry 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bags between us. Get on the train. Cool. Right, let's go.
Maybe it's put off.
There's someone in our boat. Right, shall I text him?
Yeah.
Hi class! Hello, we have a visitor!
You've only seen the pictures, is it?
It's
beautiful.
It's so much bigger.
That's always. It's hard to see on the picture.
Yeah.
But I'm happy that you like the
Well, I
place.
appreciate your help so much, thank you.
No worries, that's my job. You know, it's always good if people are positively surprised. It's not always like this.
So much.
Enjoy here.
Thank you.
Enjoy. If there's any questions, contact me. But everything regarding to the boat and the maintenance, and if something is not functioning, you can call the landlady.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Hey,
Thank you,
enjoy.
sir.
Bye bye. Close the door. You can close the roof. I don't know how it
Oh,
works.
perfect, okay. We live on a boat. Let me show you. So you might be wondering why my life has changed so much recently. Basically, me and Liam really fancied a change of scenery, and we just wanted to live in a city and just experience that for a while. So we were looking for jobs and applying to places in like a couple of different European cities, and then he got a job offer in Amsterdam. And so now we're here. We've been here for 2.5 weeks almost. I know this video is like super overdue, but that is just the story of my life. So why change now? At least I'm consistent, right? Consistently late. Yeah, and now my dad's come to visit, which is really cute. He's got a meeting in Duisburg, and so we asked him to bring a TV. And yeah, I don't really know what else to say apart from We really love it here so far. Really enjoying the boat life. Oh, let me explain why we're on a boat. We're on a boat because it's really hard to find an apartment in Amsterdam. Like it's so high demand. So you've literally got to go to viewings and then like pretty much accept that day. And because we were still living in England, we couldn't go to viewings, and so it was like so hard to find anywhere. And so we've found this like short term for a month. We're only here until April, and now we're under a lot of pressure to find somewhere else that's permanent. So if anyone knows anywhere, probably by the time this video comes up, we'll be living somewhere else. But yeah, that's my life right now, and I really love it, and I'm really happy here, and Liam's really happy as well. So yeah, all is good. My dad's here. My dad's come to visit me on the boat. Dad brought a TV.
Oh.
Thanks, Dad.
Ja, genau.
Louis hat nicht sein dürfen.
Nee.
Ik zou het niet willen. Dan krijg je niet koppen. En dan geef je niet meer.
Kunnen dat nooit zien.
Love you.
Love you too.
Aww. Bye. Try that again.